G'day everybody, it's Remy here from KickAss Products. Now today I get to take you through something super exciting to us, the most compact solution for a full off-grid kit that we've ever produced, the PowerBoss. Now this guy includes our inverter solutions, our charging solutions, solar controller and DC to DC, including our load distribution, all in one complete solution. Super compact, way less cabling, whole lot easier for you guys to put together. Take you through it now. Okay everybody, now we all know when you start to build a serious off-grid system just how many components are included, how much space they take up and all the cabling that goes with them. Not with the PowerBoss. This is going to solve all of those issues for you and really make your solution incredibly compact and very, very neat. Extremely limited cables you need with this particular unit. It's perfect for your canopy applications, four-wheel drives, caravans, you name it. Pretty much any solution, this is going to fit the needs for you. Now with this particular unit, at the core of it, we've got our 2000 watt inverter, giving you more than enough power to run all your appliances and necessities from home that you want to take with you. 80 amp AC charging, so anything from our mains power, so 240 that we plug into at home or while we're out and about, keeping us topped up when we need that. 40 amp DC to DC built into this guy, so charging from our vehicle. 40 amp solar controller there, so whether we've got solar panels on top or if we wanted to take a portable kit with us. And of course our 50 amp load distribution coming directly out of the unit as well, so giving us all the outputs that we need, as well as our monitoring on the front there. So you've got everything you need in a really compact solution, making your lives even easier, making the installation even simpler. All right guys, now of course the main thing we need to keep track of while we're out and about, monitoring, keeping up to date with what our system's actually doing and where our state of charge is at, which is the most important thing while we're traveling. Naturally on the display unit itself here, we've got the built-in display and monitoring on the actual fascia of the unit itself. This is going to keep track of what the unit itself is doing, where our charge is coming from, where our load is going, and what the unit is actually doing at that point in time. Now, of course, plugging in with our battery system, so if you're using our Ultra X batteries or any of our smart lithium range, you can plug directly into the base of the unit using the battery monitoring side of this particular unit. That state of charge will then display on the fascia of the unit there, making it extremely easy to keep track of. Naturally, when we're out and about, a lot of people want to see what we're doing from a distance. That's why we have our Bluetooth monitoring unit here. This particular unit plugs in just via an RJ connector on the bottom here, straight into the PowerBoss unit, displays everything we need while we're out and about. If you want to have a secondary display unit, we also offer that. So a lot of the time we find people install these on one part of the installation, so it might be on the right-hand side as an example, but we want to also monitor the whole system from the left-hand side. This particular screen here is a direct mirror image of what we see on the front of the unit here. The other real benefit with this guy here is that this also enables Bluetooth monitoring directly from this head unit as well, so it makes it really, really easy and a really complete system for you. All right guys, now getting to the nitty-gritty, actually installing this unit and what we need to do. Naturally, we've got the four mounting positions, top and bottom of this particular unit to screw it off and mount it to the wall itself. When we actually get to connecting everything up, there's two screws on the base here, taken those guys off already, and that fascia just comes off like that. Now, the main piece with this is you've got your two main connections, so your larger cabling that's going to be coming directly from your battery. Then we've got our smaller connections, so our vehicle input, solar input, negatives, and then our load distribution coming out of the unit. So very, very quick and easy to put together there, really, really quick and easy to install. Can't get anything wrong, nice labeling, very straightforward. All right everybody, now the key question, why would I use this particular unit? This unit is amazing for installations where you're really tight on space. So when you're in the back of your caravan or when you're in the back of your four-wheel drive and you're trying to fit something in a very, very unique little location, but you don't want to give up any power, this is the solution for you. Now the obvious reason with this particular unit is you're combining so much into one box, you don't have the complexity of trying to get all the individual bits and pieces, get the cabling in the right way, make sure everything's going through the shunts correctly so that everything's monitored the way that it should be. Everything's done for you with this unit. Very few connections, giving you guys a super clean, really nice installation, but still gives you all the monitoring and all the benefits that you're going to get from an individual unit installation. Okay everybody, we're getting to the tail end of this now. We know what the power system is that we're going with, but what else do we need to pair with this system? Well really it comes down to batteries, solar, and obviously the cables to get this connected from our vehicle and from our batteries to the actual unit itself. Starting with the battery end of the conversation, the Ultra X makes a lot of sense for this particular application. It's already got our comms built into it, and we're just taking an RJ connection from this battery directly into our unit, displaying all of our battery information that we're ever going to need. From there, obviously, we have a whole range of solar panels that are going to meet your applications, different sizes, different orientations, even slimline designs to meet anything that you're trying to achieve. From there, obviously, we've got our cabling solutions. Now, we've got everything from your vehicle connections, trailer connections if you're putting this into a towed application of any description, all the way through to our solar coming down from the roof so that we can plug that into the unit correctly. And of course, our main battery connections coming from the battery itself through to the unit here. Got everything you need. Okay everybody, I really hope this has helped you to understand our PowerBoss unit and the reasons why you'd pick this solution. Now, if you're interested in this particular unit, there's a load of different bundles, including everything you're going to need to get this installed in your particular application on our website. Of course, if you can't make up your mind or you're just not too sure exactly what the right solution is for you, give us a call. You can even book a time with us to walk through your particular application and work out exactly what system is going to work best for you. Thanks a lot. Hope this has helped you out.